Hey there, travelers! Welcome back to the channel. It's Tracy here, filling in for Sophia Antonelli, and today we're diving into one of the most fascinating and budget-friendly destinations in Europe, historic Sicily. If you've ever dreamed of experiencing Sicily's rich history, mouth-watering cuisine, and stunning landscapes without breaking the bank, then this video is for you. Stick around for some of the best Sicily travel tips, all while keeping things affordable. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about how to get to Sicily. Sicily is the largest island in the Mediterranean, located just off the southern tip of Italy. It's easy to reach by air with direct flights to Palermo, Catania, and Trapani from many European cities. If you're already in Italy, ferries are a great option to travel Sicily cheap, especially if you're on a budget. Once you're here, exploring the island is made easier with an affordable Sicily travel guide and public transportation. Now let's dive into the colorful history of Sicily. Did you know that this island has been home to a blend of cultures, including the Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, Arabs, and Normans? That's why you'll find such a rich variety of historical sites in Sicily. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento and the Norman Palace in Palermo are just a few must-see Sicily attractions for history buffs. You don't have to spend a fortune to experience Sicily's history. Many of these sites offer free or low-cost entry, making them perfect for budget travel in Sicily. Sicily has played a huge role in shaping Italian history. It was a key province in the Roman Empire and a major battleground during the unification of Italy in the 19th century. Visiting historic sites in Sicily gives you a glimpse into this past and many landmarks, like the Roman mosaics at Villa Romana del Casale, are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. These places are not only historically significant, but also part of any great Sicily travel itinerary for those looking to explore Sicily affordably. Throughout Sicily's history, several important figures have left their mark. Archimedes, the great mathematician and engineer, was born here in Syracuse. King Roger II, who ruled in the 12th century, unified the island and left behind architectural wonders like the stunning Monreale Cathedral. And of course, Garibaldi, the hero of Italian unification, is another name closely tied to Sicily's past. Learning about these historic characters gives you a deeper appreciation of Sicilian culture. When it comes to products, Sicily is world-renowned for its wine, olive oil, and citrus fruits. The island's volcanic soil produces some of the best wines in Italy, and you can tour local vineyards on a budget. Also, don't miss out on the local olive oil and lemons, which are famous throughout the world. Many of these products are accessible to tourists looking for cheap travel in Sicily, especially when visiting local markets. No conversation about Sicily would be complete without mentioning the mafia. Sicily has a complicated history with organized crime, particularly during the 19th and 20th centuries. However, today the situation has changed dramatically, and efforts by the government have made Sicily much safer for tourists. When you travel Sicily cheap, rest assured that safety concerns related to the mafia are mostly a thing of the past. If you're wondering about the best places to visit in Sicily on a budget, you're in luck. Palermo, the island's capital, offers a mix of vibrant street markets and stunning architecture, while Cefalù and Syracuse offer beautiful beaches and ancient ruins. Many of these Sicily attractions are either free or very affordable, making them ideal for budget travel in Europe. And don't forget the picturesque villages of the interior where you can soak up Sicilian culture without the tourist crowds. Now, let's talk about food. Sicily's street food is legendary, and it's one of the best ways to eat well without spending a lot. Try arancini, stuffed rice balls, or pennelle, chickpea fritters from local vendors. And of course, you can't visit Sicily without trying cannoli or pasta alla norma. Many of these dishes can be found at local markets or street food stalls for just a few euros, making it easy to stick to your budget. Looking for affordable places to stay? Sicily has plenty of options for budget travelers. From charming bed and breakfasts in the countryside to budget-friendly hostels in Palermo and Catania. You'll find something for every price range. Booking early or staying outside of the major tourist hubs can save you even more. For those who want to travel Sicily cheap, these accommodations are perfect. So is Sicily safe? Absolutely. As long as you take the usual travel precautions, Sicily is as safe as any other European destination. The island has worked hard to overcome its past issues, and today, it's a welcoming and vibrant place for visitors. Whether you're a history lover or just looking for a sun-soaked getaway, Sicily is the perfect destination for budget-conscious travelers. Thanks for joining me on this journey through historic Sicily. I hope these budget travel tips help you plan your trip to this amazing island. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Safe travels, and see you next time.